Hello and welcome, this is Gilly Kube. I'm back in my art room and really wanted to create something fun, juicy, tutti fruity, colourful, uplifting. From all the stuff that's going on in the world, we all need to take a step away and really do something joyful, because it can get way too depressing, way too all-consuming. So my thing is that therapy is expensive and art can do it on a budget. So here we go. This is a 50 by 55 canvas, and as you just seen, I'm not even sure why that particular canvas had all those dots on. Can't even think what happened to it. But anyway, I just went over it with a white base coat because all of the colourful, fruity, tooty, rainbow colours that I'm about to put on this need to slide over the top nicely. So I'm going to get you to just chillax. If you need to go make a drink and grab yourself a biscuit, stop the video, go and do that, so you can really chillax and relax over this one, and hope this actually brings you some joy and enjoy the uplifting colours.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm lining up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold, while I'm singing this song to myself. I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm waking up early again, sitting alone and listening in. There is no separation from you in the end. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm hushing the dog on the chain.
So this is where the real fun begins, and hopefully it doesn't go to mud. So it's the blow dryer now, and the real trick about this blow dryer, when you're blowing it out, or my chaos blow, is don't wiggle the dryer too much, do straight blows out, and then there's less likelihood of the colours mixing and causing mud. So as you see, look at that absolutely sensational, colourful feather effect with just so much movement in it. It's just unbelievable. I couldn't possibly create this kind of effect doing just art by hand without the tools that I use, which are ordinary household tools really, aren't they? Using a balloon, using a hairdryer, using bits of string. Oh my goodness, there's all the styles there, and I love. It really did uplift me and make my day when I created this one. I think it was just the creation as more than the actual end result. So it was the journey, not the destination, that I enjoyed so much about this one, and I hope you're enjoying it too.
I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself.
A little surprise here for my little centerpiece, something to make it truly mine. And I guess you know what's coming, but wait on, because you have to trust the process. At some points people say they do click out because they think it's going to look terrible, and then when they've gone back to it where they could skip it and go to the end, they thought, oh, that turned out gorgeous. I will go back again and re-watch this. So let's see this next part of the magic happen.
Softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold, while I'm singing this song to myself. I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself.
Boy, oh boy, just loving it. And I know this will finish it off just deliciously, because adding that sort of, well, it is actually a black blue. It's a really sort of dark navy. It's not actually black. Will just make that centerpiece pop. And of course you don't have to do, you can do whatever you choose. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Just enjoy. And I was absolutely loving this. It just, when you have days like this that your art creation or your DIY or your craft gives you joy, then it's, it's all worth it.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking bluegrass radio.
Woohoo! What an absolute ray of sunshine. Oh, it's not really. There you go. That's a bit better. Just an absolute starburst of colours, rainbow of colours, which definitely has the opportunity to just going like mud. But if you keep your hair blower from wiggling around, just do straight out motions, it should not create mud at all. Super happy with this stunning bright piece. It was something that has uplifted me just doing it, because I was feeling a bit down. I guess what's happening in the world today is a bit depressing, so you have to get yourself out of the funk and do something that gives you joy. So I haven't done one of these in a long time, so happy Jen, I enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, my lovelies, please take care, and remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then definitely a helpline. Bye for now. 11 miles on and off day, and your shadow to the coast, past the surfing whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke.